In this video we want to show you briefly how tests are administered and scored using the Vienna Test System. Before someone can be tested, the test administrator must create a record of them in the Vienna Test System. The easiest way to do this is on the client list index card. The person's name, date of birth, gender, level of education and language are entered. The tests are available in up to 26 different languages at no extra cost and with no additional installation required. Once this has been done, the client is now in the Vienna Test System's client database, ready for testing either straight away or at any subsequent time. The main screen of the Vienna Test System utilizes convenient and intuitively arranged index cards, making it easy to navigate and to switch between the different functions. We now switch to the testing index card to select the tests to be administered. The Vienna Test System contains more than 120 reliable and accurate tests. They include ability tests, objective personality tests, adaptive tests, and multimedia tests. There are 3 ways of selecting tests. On the Dimensions index card, tests are selected on the basis of content by choosing the psychological dimension that you want to measure. On the Tests index card, tests can be selected by clicking on the test name. If you make a mistake, it is easy to remove a test. This is what the Remove button is for. On the Test Batteries index card, you can select a complete previous compiled test battery with a single click. Test batteries enable complex issues to be investigated using an economical set of tests. It is now time to ask the client to come to the computer. Click on Start Test Presentation to start the test session. Everything that the client needs to do is explained to him. To avoid mix-ups, the client is asked to confirm his name and date of birth. Once the client has confirmed his identity, the instructions for the first test in the battery appear. At the end of the first test, the system moves straight on to the next test in the battery. Here, eye-hand coordination is being tested. For this, the client needs the special response panel with the joysticks. The unique combination of the 3 pillars of psychology, hardware and software enables Schuhfried to offer a wide range of special ability tests that require specially developed input devices and peripherals. At the end of the test battery, the client is instructed to report to the test administrator. The test administrator now takes over the screen in order to view the test results. Time is money. Computerized scoring of psychological tests is far quicker than scoring paper and pencil tests manually, and the results are immediately available at the end of the test session, automatically and without errors. When individual scoring is used, the test results are shown separately for each test in the battery. The slider makes it easy to switch between tests. The test results header shows the client's name, the name of the test form, and the time the test was presented. The associated results table contains the specified test variables with their raw and norm scores. Comments on the most important test variables are also provided. For information on interpreting the test results, click on Interpretation to open the test manual. Various options can also be selected. If another sample is required, this can be selected as an addition or alternative with just a few mouse clicks. On the scope index card, the display of the results can be modified. For example, for a more detailed analysis of the test, a chart and a test protocol can be enabled here. A report can also be generated from the test results simply by pressing a button. A report usually consists of standard text, in which variable data can be inserted as required. This data might include client details, test variables, or passages of text that are inserted if particular scores are obtained on particular variables. If Microsoft Word is installed on the computer, the report opens in Word as soon as it has been created and can then be edited as needed. In this video, we have shown you how tests are administered and scored with the Vienna Test System. Thank you for watching.